Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Sleep Inn near Washington State Line. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located in Idaho's River City, the Sleep Inn near Washington State Line is located near the factory outlet malls, Spokane Valley Mall, Stateline Stadium, Speedway and the famous Spokane River Centennial Trail, a scenic path that begins at the Idaho state line and runs directly in front of the hotel en route to Coeur, Alene Lake. This post-falls, ID hotel affords guests convenient access to many exciting recreational points and attractions including the Highlands Golf Course, Silverwood Theme Park, Boulder Beach Water Park and Wild Waters Water Park. The Spokane River runs through the heart of Post Falls and is home to many rafters and swimmers taking advantage of the tree-lined parks, paths and picnic areas that caress its shores. Located just minutes from the destination resort Coeur, Alene, this aquatic playground with its sandy beaches has long held the reputation as a leading recreational hotspot, and is home of the world's longest floating boardwalk, waterfront dining, lake cruises, 5-star golf courses and casinos. Come enjoy breathtaking views while boating, kayaking, water skiing, parasailing and eagle watching. Guests are invited to enjoy amenities like free wireless high-speed internet access through the hotel, free deluxe continental breakfast with Belgian waffles, free local calls and a 24-hour indoor pool and hot tub. This post-falls, ID hotel provides business travelers with conveniences like access to fax and copy services and a meeting room. All rooms include coffee makers, hair dryers, irons, ironing boards and cable television. Some rooms include microwaves and refrigerators. Handicap accessible rooms are available. Guest laundry facilities are located on the property. This is a dog-friendly hotel. A stay fee is required. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.